Hey, thanks for coming in. Today we're making a bourbon glazed bacon. It takes about 10 days to age. So if you'll zoom in here on our nice pork belly, you can see we have a pork belly. It has been dried and cut. We're about to start the curing process. Today we'll be doing a dry cure. In order to get my dry rub to stick, I'll put the recipe in the comments. We're going to brush it with some whiskey. We're using a George Dickel 8-year. Brush it liberally on the pork belly. You can also spray it, whatever your preferred method is. So you want to get the pork belly nice and dry before you whiskey it up. And if you can see the shine there, it's got a fair amount of glisten to it. So what we're going to do now is take our mixture, just salt, brown sugar, black pepper, coarse ground, a little bit of garlic and some onion powder, and we're gonna stick it right on top of this beautiful pork belly. Press it in nice and firm. You want to get an even distribution of the mixture all over. You want to zoom in here. As you can see, we've got a good coating of the mixture on top. We're going to flip it over gently and pick back up on the back side with our bourbon basting. This process is called dry curing. We're also going to show you how to wet cure bacon in a future episode. The dry cure implies that there's no moisture. You want to make sure that your salt is very even, because this brine mixture or salt mixture can create hot spots. A hot spot will occur when you put too much salt in one place and not enough in another. It'll cause some off-tasting bacon. Dry curing is a little harder than wet curing. It's something we're experimenting with here, and we hope to have. As you can see now, we have an even mixture on all sides. We're not going to use the last of this mixture. I like to cup it in my hands and press it into the side of the bacon. Make sure we get it all the way around. Now we're going to transfer it into a 2.5 gallon Ziploc bag and put it in a pan. We'll be flipping this daily in the fridge for the next 10 days. At the end of 10 days, rinse it off, smoke it on your big green egg or Jambo, your choice, until it's 165 internally. It should take about 3 hours. You want to smoke low and slow, around 225. Once it's done, pull it off, cool it down, slice it, fry it up. It'll be the best bacon you've ever had. Cheers.